All right, real quick, this is Fat Guy Flies RC. On the Mini Apprentice, I've had a couple of requests to show how I permanently attached the Apprentice wing to the fuselage itself. So hold on just a second. Understand I am doing this with one hand. And, okay, doing this with one hand and trying to work holding a model. Okay, so the parts that I'm using, these two white nylon screws here, are actually out of an old timber. Okay, you recognize those if you've ever had a timber. Okay, and then this is another screw, and I found that it was seeping down into this hole, this hard point that I have here. Well, hold on, it's really screwed in there. Oh gosh, man, how many times am I going to have to? Hold on, folks. Okay. Well, I found, and this is an old wing bolt from an old Dynam plane, and I found that this bolt was going down in there. So I found, you got all the little prop adapters that come with the props. Well, I just put that on there so it wouldn't disappear down there. So hold on. It's kind of glued. Now, what I'm going to show you is, here is blind nuts dug out of the bottom of that wrecked timber. Okay, I think that's where they came from. Almost positive. Well, anyways, blind nuts that would fit any bolt, and then I reinforced it with hot glue with some wood there. And then also, this is a hard point out of another model, a wrecked model that had that blind nut and that screw, and I just lined those things up, kind of, dead reckoning, measured them, and then drilled holes in the top of the wing here, dropped in these plastic hard points into those holes, glued them in, and those lined up perfectly with these holes I have here. And voila, And the nice thing about it is you've got these hard plastic points here, and that just tied right into that. So that's how I did it. Pretty simple, and it does not come off. Let's see the underside of it. It just goes right through there. Just one hole back there and goes there. So all right, folks, thank you for watching. It's Fat Guy Flies RC. Bye bye. Well, come on.